I had a friend who once lived with me. Then one time it happened, he traveled. So when he traveled, I think he alerted his girlfriend. After all, days passed, months passed, and then one day, just around 10 p.m., I had a knock at the door. Then I opened the door. Kufungua mlango napata the lady who is knocking the door is the woman who is the girlfriend to my friend. So I asked her, "Why are you here this late?" And she told me, "I came to check if Bri is around." So I was like, "Bri is not around. Did he not tell you that I'm a travel?" No, he didn't tell me. I was like, "Are you sure? He didn't tell you? Can I call him?" No, don't call him. Okay, sawa sawa. He's not around then. Kaniambia sawa. So let me I'll come back when amerudi. Nitaongea naye kwa simu. Then I was like, all right, no problem. So after that, the next day again, she came around again 10. Now this was the excuse. Mama yangu amenifukuza nyumbani. Amesema hataki kuniona. And then I was like, but sasa, how can I help you? And then she was like, can I just sleep here for today? And then by tomorrow, I will find another way. So mi nilikuwa zile za, it's weird, you sleeping here na, unajua boy child wako hayuko hapa hivi. So unajua, haita make sense. Unaona? But she was like, see, you have a couch. And mimi niko na in a bed. So wewe fanya hivi, me I just sleep on couch. Then I leave. So I was so disturbed in a way. I was feeling like I should call the boyfriend and be like, niaje, chile wako ako hapa hivi na nakutafuta. But now, she told me, don't call him. Okay, the first day took a lala, and then I remember very well. I used to be a teacher. Nilikuwa kama mwalimu, so nikamwacha the first day, nikaenda